Today we delivered the Reimagine Your Business event, supporting the social economy organisations across the West Midlands to help innovate their ways of thinking about adopting technology into their business. And we wanted to help unlock opportunities for them, helping them identify the challenges that they face, helping them explore some of the opportunities for growth and the areas where they need to upskill and integrate new technologies into their company.
We had businesses from different sectors participating and discussing their biggest challenge that they're facing. It didn't have to be technology, it could be any challenge they were facing. It was a great opportunity for the participants to network and share ideas, and then they were able to bounce off suggestions and have some light bulb moments, so that was great.
So my goal was for people to learn something new. They expanded their knowledge, maybe they learned about a new platform. And I also wanted to learn about more of what businesses need, what kind of workshops we can implement in the future, and what areas we should focus on to make sure that we support SMEs the best way we can.
For us, we've talked a lot about how businesses can adopt AI and implement data analytics. Everybody should be using it, everybody should be trying, testing and becoming more confident with it. That upskilling and learning is really important.
Sometimes I think there's a myth about what is tech, how can it help us, or we haven't got enough funds. But actually seeing tech as an enabler and how it supports your business is really what this workshop is about.